Are you ready to dive into the definitive version of Persona 3? Today, we'll explore everything you need to know about Persona 3 Reload. Persona 3 Reload is a re-release of the original game, offering enhanced graphics and gameplay on modern platforms like PS4, Xbox One, and PC. One unique addition is Episode Aegis, the Answer DLC, which introduces a new character who claims to be the protagonist's sister. While Persona 3 Reload maintains its core story and gameplay mechanics, it also includes additional content like new characters and scenarios. The game's narrative can be compared to other Persona titles, with a focus on deep character development and exploration of themes like identity. Persona 3 Reload also features an expansion pass, which will offer new content and updates to enhance the player experience. Despite its improvements, Persona 3 Reload retains a classic feel, making it an essential title for fans of the series and newcomers alike. What part of Persona 3 Reload excites you most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming insight.